If you've forgotten your Apple Watch passcode and can't unlock the device, you can still reset it using Apple's official methods. In this guide, you'll learn the correct ways to reset an Apple Watch without the password and what to expect after the reset. Method 1. Reset Apple Watch directly. Start by placing the Apple Watch on its charger and leave it connected during the entire process. Press and hold the side button until the power options appear. Then press and hold the digital crown until you see Erase All Content and Settings. Tap this option, then tap Reset to confirm. The watch will erase all data and restart automatically. Once the reset is complete, you'll see the setup screen where you can pair the watch with your iPhone again. Method 2. Reset using paired iPhone. If your Apple Watch is still paired with your iPhone and you have access to both devices, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap All Watches. Tap the information button next to your watch, then choose Unpair Apple Watch. Follow the prompts to confirm the process. If Find My is enabled, you'll be asked to enter your Apple account password to disable activation lock. The iPhone will back up the watch before erasing it, making it easier to restore your data during setup. What to do if activation lock appears after the reset? You may be asked to enter the Apple account email address and password that were previously linked to the watch. This is Apple's activation lock security feature, which helps protect lost or stolen devices. If you know the account credentials, simply sign in to continue. If you purchase the watch from someone else, the previous owner must remove it from their Apple account before you can activate it. Without the correct credentials, the watch cannot be used. What if the reset option doesn't work? If the reset option doesn't appear or your Apple Watch is frozen, make sure it's connected to the charger and try again. If the watch isn't responding, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown until the Apple logo appears to perform a force restart. After it restarts, repeat the reset steps. If the problem continues, update your iPhone if it's paired with the watch or contact Apple support for further assistance.